Alright guys, welcome to a new episode of DivByDiv Basics Monday. Today we are gonna learn what is the anchor HTML tag and how to use it to create a multiple page website. Let's get started. Okay, let's start over from our index.html. Now we have the h1 element as hello DivByDiv, but we can replace this text saying page 1. Let's say page 1. Let's save. Okay. Now I want to create a new page that I'm gonna call page 2, and then I want to create a link that is connecting the two pages, and I want to be able as a user to navigate from page 1 to page 2 and from page 2 to page 1. Let's do that. Let's create first of all the page 2. So let's call page2.html. Let's save it. Let's copy the index content and let's paste here, and let's change the h1 to be page 2. Okay, now we have the page 2. To navigate from page 1 and page 2, for now we don't have any way, unless we're gonna change the path in the address bar in the browser from index.html to page 2, right? So in this case we're gonna navigate in the page 2, but we want the user to click somewhere and to navigate to the page 2. Let's go back to the index.html in the browser, and let's create our anchor tag. The anchor tag is simply an A with an attribute that is called the href. In the href attribute we're gonna link the page 2 HTML. So let's do page2.html, and between the start and the end of the anchor tag we are going to insert some text that is reflecting the action that we want to do. For example, go to page 2. Now we can refresh our index.html and we see that we have the go to page 2 text. Let's click on go to page 2, and we are navigating in page 2. We can double check with the page 2 h1 and the page 2 HTML URL in the address bar of the browser. Okay, now from page 2 I want to go back to page 1, so we're gonna create another link that is gonna reference the index.html. So we can copy from page 1 this link and paste it here, and rather than page 2 in the anchor tag we are gonna say index, and rather than go to the page 2 we're gonna say go to the page 1. Refresh. Now in the page 2 is gonna appear a link to go back to the page 1, so we can click it, go to page 1, page 2, page 1, page 2, page 1, and so on. Today you have learned how to create and use the anchor tag. Congratulations! If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, and I'll see you next time. Ciao!